There's not loads of time to do these things. My advice would be block out some time once a month. If you say to yourself, and this is just from my personal experience as well, if you say to yourself, you know what, I'm going to write content a couple of times a week, you'll get to whatever day that you're due to do it, you're going to be too busy. Something is going to come up that's going to stop you from doing it, because it always does, right? Running a business is incredibly busy. There's going to be something. If you can schedule posts on LinkedIn, by the way, you don't need a third-party program. You just put it into the box, and then you can schedule it. There's a little clock icon on there, and you can schedule it for a certain day at a certain time. My advice would be try and schedule 8 posts at a time, which might sound like a lot, but honestly, if you just blocked off hour and a half to 2 hours once a month, then it would save you having to write content twice a week and not do it. Try to systemize so that you're creating some good quality content and posting it, getting it out there on a regular basis. It is going to drive more leads, but these things aren't going to happen by accident. The least time consuming thing is going to be really pushing your SEO, making sure that you're getting a really good influx of commercial leads to the website. You've got good landing pages. Maybe at some point some Google ads specifically for some commercial cleaning that's going to push people towards you. Depends on cleaning that you do, right? For instance, David does a lot of construction. Yours is probably going to be more network and word of mouth and who you know, which is why LinkedIn is going to be perfect for you.